Welcome back. This is our train expert channel. We got a OC&T grain hopper train. Let's check it out. Might be a long one here. $125 hopper. I haven't seen that before. Yeah, this might be all of, looks like it's gonna be all of it, looks like. And this train engine, oh, there's the striping hopper, there it is. And it's gonna be on the end. Yep, we got a striping hopper on the end. I got those before. I got those when the trains we went with Ollie, same thing. Grain hopper, those striped hoppers. I got those there. That striped hopper, kind of like a BNSF hopper right there. Or kind of like...
Is that one longer than the rest of them?
Yeah. But I think this is like the shortest hopper, the striped one on the end. It's like the smallest hopper ever seen.
It looks longer than the other one.
At all of the Oil Creek Railroad. And there's the end. Yeah, we got a striped hopper on the end. I didn't even count the cars yet. I'll have to see it later. Cause I knew it was all of it, but I just didn't know. Yeah, we had a 125 hopper. Haven't seen that before, and then a striped hopper. I think I got them last time here, last week or something. And the striped hopper's gonna have to be part of the OC&T train coming up. I think it's all they're gonna park right there. Maybe 2 hoppers there at the end. I think there might be packing up, just drop off a hopper or 2 besides the striped. Yeah, that striped hopper's empty. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on as soon as that longer hopper train comes by, and we'll talk to you guys later.